In this video, let us solve some more problems based on Heron's formula. The question here reads like this. Perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meters and its sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. Find the area of the triangle. Alright, now how do we go about solving this sum? Now, to solve for the area of a triangle using Heron's formula, we always need the three sides A, B, C and S, the semi-perimeter. Now, the semi-perimeter can be easily obtained by dividing the total perimeter by 2. That's not a problem. But we need the sides. Here, it is only given in the form of a ratio. So now what we need to do is, we need to use this ratio and the perimeter of the triangular field and find the sides from it. So what do we do now is, let us write like this. A is to B is to C. The sides A is to B is to C are in the ratio 13:12:5. So A is some multiple of 13. So that is 13x. And B is some multiple of 12. That is 12x. And C is some multiple of 5. That is 5x. So 13x, 12x and 5x. Now, the sum of these three should give us 450. So now 13x plus 12x plus 5x equals 450 meters. So 13x plus 12x is 25x, 25x plus 5x is 30x. So 30x equals 450 meters and x equals 450 by 30, which is 15. So that multiple is just 15. So now we have A as 13 into 15, which is nothing but 195 meters. B as 12 into 15, which is 180 meters. And C as 5 into 15, which is 75 meters. So now this adds up to 450 meters. But now we need S, which is half of 450, that is 225. So the area of the triangle is nothing but root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is 225 into 225 minus 195 into 225 minus 180 into 225 minus 75, which is nothing but 225 into 30 into 45 into 150, square root of this. Now we have finding the square root of this by the factor method gives us 5 cube into 3 cube into 2, which is nothing but 6750 meters square. Therefore, the area of this given triangle is 6750 meters square. Let us solve another problem. So here is another question which goes like this. The lengths of the sides of a triangle are 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 13 centimeters. Find the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the side whose length is 13 centimeters. So we need to find the length of P. How do we go about it now? Now we've got the data, that is, we've got the three sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. We've got A, B, C, and we can easily find S from the given data. So using S, A, B and C, we can apply all these data in the Heron's formula and find the area of the triangle. Now what do you do after you find the area of the triangle? Now we know that there is another formula to find the area of the triangle when you have the height. So the height is length P. We don't know what is that length. So therefore we've got a formula called as half into base into height. So we can use that formula and equate the area that we found. So the unknown will be the height there. Therefore from that equation we can easily find the value of P. Now let us solve this thing out. So we've got A as 5, we've got B as 12 and then we've got C as 13. So S equals, which is nothing but the semi-perimeter, half of the sum of all the sides, which is nothing but half into 5 plus 12 plus 13, which is 15. So now let A be the area of the given triangle. So we can easily use Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is nothing but S is 15, so 15 into 15 minus 5 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 13, which is nothing but 15 into 15 minus 5 is 10, 15 minus 12 is 3, and 15 minus 13 is 2. So this is nothing but, the square root of this is nothing but 30 centimeters square. So the area of the given triangle is 30 centimeters square. Now, using the other formula, A is equal to half into base. Base is 13 into the height. A is 30, so 30 equals half into 13 into P. So therefore, P equals 30 into 2 divided by 13, which is nothing but 60 by 13 centimeters. The length of this line which joins the opposite vertex and the side whose length is 13 centimeters is 60 by 13 centimeters.